Raw Vietnamese hair bundles are obviously an ideal solution for every customer. You will not be able to find a hair that is both cheap and good quality like raw Vietnamese hair bundle. I'm Justin, sales manager of KF Factory, and in this video, I will give you all information about Vietnamese hair bundle to persuade you that all clients should try Vietnamese hair bundle one time. On the first hand is raw Vietnamese hair bundle for end users. If you are looking for a solution for your hair to refresh your appearance, using raw Vietnamese hair bundle is a great choice to make you more attractive. Raw Vietnamese hair bundles are 100% real Vietnamese human hair, so your hair looks extremely natural. No one will notice you are wearing a wig because it looks so real. Raw Vietnamese hair bundles are very durable. Of course, you will not want to spend a lot of money to buy hair that after a short time has tangled, broken or falling apart. Raw Vietnamese hair bundles are long-lasting, up to 8 years, and so you can buy them with confidence. Raw Vietnamese hair bundles are very easy to take care of. The qualities of Vietnamese hair bundle is beautiful, so you don't need to spend too much effort to take care of your hair, and it is still shiny. Raw Vietnamese hair bundles are diverse in color. Besides the inherent white color, raw Vietnamese hair bundles are often rich and dye into many colorful colors, so there are many options for you to stand. On the other hand, raw Vietnamese hair bundles for hair business people is also a good choice. If you are a salon owner or a hair dealer, buying raw Vietnamese hair bundle is a perfect choice to help you meet all your customer needs and maximize profits. High qualities of raw Vietnamese hair bundle. Raw Vietnamese hair bundles are very suitable for everyone who is doing a hair business. 80% of the world's hair market is middle and high-end, which is proof that current customers are very interested in hair quality. Meanwhile, raw Vietnamese hair bundles are the best quality in the world hair market. Raw Vietnamese hair bundles are very popular in European market because the hair can be bleached to white or blonde or bleach and dye to any color customer love. Meanwhile, they still keep the smooth and beautiful sets. As analyzed, raw Vietnamese hair bundles are very durable, so you can buy them in bulk without worrying about the qualities of your hair being affected during storage. Besides, the raw Vietnamese hair bundles are also easy to style, curling, straightening, bleaching, so it is still guaranteed to update customer trends. And that is all you need to know about raw Vietnamese hair bundle. If you have any question, don't hesitate to text me through this WhatsApp number. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin, and I will be back for more videos on KF Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.
Hit that.